Big up Crosses TV.
Crosses TV. Big up Crosses.
Yo, my people, make sure say una like the video them for me, please, and subscribe if you not subscribe yet. Watch this one now. Love war and love police. Thank God for police because police back she love the trouble. Them say she a handicap. Them say she not have nothing about her. Them say she disloyal. Them say the worst. Them say she coming like froggy. Jump from people to people. Anybody else have she a run around her next idiot. Cause she soon set police on them and turn against them. Nothing about this girl. You think I joke me and make ask the internet. A girl love start war and can't fight.
Girl, you sell pussy to your baby father. If your baby father love you, you would sell pussy to your baby father. I want to sell pussy not to woman who live over Lusham. I want to sell pussy not to woman who live over Lusham. My company grandma talk about baby father one time. Girl, you have to sell pussy to your baby father. The last time you sell a fuck to blood clot to your baby father, forget you got a problem. I want to that dirty careless woman who live over blood clot 160. I want to that dirty woman who live over Lusham. I want to that catch man sodomite woman who live over Lusham. I want to that big blood clot, big no wheel woman who live over blood clot Lusham. You act like you're that girl, you're the fat girl. You're the fat girl who live on the blood clot mango tree. Fatty. Who live over blood clot Lusham. Me nah look pan blood clot you. Me nah look pan you fatty. Me nah look pan you big and fat and stay bad no blood clot. Your pussy if you come out of your blood clot. Look pan you. One bit of blood clot luggage on the side of your belly. Move your dirty chaka blood clot. You ugly in a blood clot. Amanda ugly, you ugly, and you picking them ugly, zucky. You picking them need for going on the blood clot cage. You picking them need for going on the blood clot cage. Glady, me not argue with you. Me not argue with you. Me not argue with you. Go sell your beer father cocky. Go sell your beer father pussy. Cause you have to sell your beer father pussy. For go Jamaica for fuck Marcus. Marcus, eat you. Marcus, eat you. Remember say you have a thief clothes for blood clot, Marcus. Remember when blood clot gangster down with a blood clot said, me and I the on the phone, here Jesus Christ. Hold on, hear that. My thief clothes for Marcus. When me hear that, people think Dan was lying. Me and I the on the phone, but Dan say my thief clothes for Marcus. Oh, Dan for supposed to know. The Rasta man when Rally Rasta friend in her house where she claims that she get the woman claims that she make rallying friend getting blood clot papers, and the boy sit down and see Marie and tell Marie everything about her. Nasty woman, nobody not like you. Dirty woman where you have to sell pussy to your baby father. You have to sell pussy to the pedophile man where you tell police say him rape you. You have to sell pussy. The boy eat you and you ugly pity them where you give them. Remember the boy mother eat you. Remember the boy mother despite you. Remember blood clot. The woman him sister eat you so you can't blood clot chat to me. Remember so when me a fuck blood clot Kirk. Karim was meant to blood clot man. Karim was meant to blood clot man. So me don't know what you blood clot depan. What the blood clot you depan. Me gonna show you say you say me a handicap. Me gonna show you say true Kirk have him. And me not dead. I'm in the hand of the casting. Me gonna show you say me gonna put handcuff by your mama blood clot here. Put up my son identity. And that them a come here house for. And that them a send it to court for. You put out him identity. Watch me on your blood clot. Watch me on your blood clot. Watch me. You're ball up, but you're not there. You're not there. No one cares if you're there. So cocky, woman. Woman, you walk and track cocky. Are you not dead yet? Woman, you walk and so cocky. Are you not in the castic yet? So cocky, woman, will live over Lucia. Man, I look by you. Suckers. Man, I look by you. body sucker, me nah look for your body sucker. Body sucker, me nah look for your body sucker. Body sucker, you have to go burn over back again. You have to go strip. And you have to go stop make your pussy. You have to go stop make the luggage come out of your blood clot side. Your blood clot side big, no blood clot. Look for the wall of the fat them come out of your blood clot side. Move your dirty blood clot. Your shape like when the blood clot food don't cook good. Your shape bad no blood clot. Your shape bad no blood clot. Me not argue with you. Me not argue with you. Sick mummy, tell Neva say you have to get the handcuff. You come out but you're in Jamaica. No one cares if you're in Jamaica. Go and tell the police. Cause matter to for even if you're in Jamaica, them are the government, them you know if you go Jamaica. Them you know when to go back to your house. So even if you're in Jamaica 2 months, 3 months, they will still wait for you for handcuff your blood clot. Don't worry about that. What you do at Jamaica more than you go Jamaica, more than you can't go rally blood clot family them house. It's dirty woman. You can't go rally family them house. Dirty woman. Dirty woman, where you go Jamaica for sit down and watch Marcus Kaki. Eh? Rally fuck you and Marcus fuck you. Go look, go take a DNA for your ugly blood clot pitney them. Move your dirty blood clot. You fuck 2 man. You fuck 2 man. And none of the man them no want you. Dirty woman. But rally now for come home because you have good pussy. Good pussy, you have good pussy. You have good pussy. Good pussy. If your pussy is so good, Rally would not fuck by you and fuck your blood clot daughter. Remember me tell you that. If your pussy is so good, Rally would not fuck you and fuck your blood clot daughter and send the cock up in your daughter home, in her pussy and broke down her blood clot home. Eh, dirty woman. Dirty woman. Nasty woman, me nah look for you. Me nah look for you. Nasty woman, me nah look for you. The police don't call me already. So true you hear me set to post Friday gonna be greater. Or you are the fake page and actually use your head for me. Okay. Are you on the fake page? Are you on the fake page? Okay. Just to feel like you're gonna get locked up. You're gonna get locked up? Booby, you're not gonna get locked up. Remember the handicap can't lock you up. Remember that? I promise you the handicap can't lock up your boo-boo. I promise you. Woman, we have to sell pussy to her baby father. Baby father eat her. Baby father eat you. Baby father eat you. No matter if to force it now. Kirk can't eat me now. Because I'm this up him mother. But the matter have to real facts about it. Him eat me, but him love him blood clot pitney. That me I tell you. What Rallin, me not see Rallin do not for your pitney. Kirk supposed to blood clot eat me. But the matter of the facts is, when him get up a morning time, him see the blood clot pitney there with have me blood clot big eye and my big blood clot teeth. So Kirk can blood clot eat me, girl. Girl, you friend up Kirk last year. Forget my business and Kirk never tell you nothing about me because Kirk never know nothing about blood clot me. All Kirk for know about me and Kirk, me and Kirk never live together. Me and Kirk fuck together, me and Kirk never live together. So Kirk don't know nothing about me. Kirk don't know nothing about me. So me don't know what I say. Kirk don't know nothing about me because me and Kirk never live together. We just fuck together. But the matter of the fuck, your baby father eat your ugly mongrel them, your zoo pet yam, your ugly super peck. Your ugly super peck. You pick them ugly in a blood clot. You pick them if you go in the blood clot cage. And a Christmas I come lock them up because them not gonna have no blood clot Christmas present. Because you broke no blood clot. Lock them up and put them in the cage. Because there's no Christmas present is out here. Because you broke and you have to sell pussy. And you have to blood clot lick out batty. 2 batty you lick out. Dirty woman, 2 batty you have to lick out. Dirty woman and me first not like you. Dirty woman and me first not like you. Dirty woman. You come for my phone for chat blood clot people. You come for my phone for clap my cuss my friend. My friend. You come for my friend phone over Birmingham and my friend move up your blood clot and this up your blood clot. You keep on send people. And my friend run you out your blood clot. That it is not. You go up on my phone and my friend say, no! Can't talk about who commit upon this. And my friend lift up your blood clot and whatever they on the card. My friend move up clot. When you see my friend move up your blood clot on the phone call, you shame like a dog. So you forgot get people. You get talkie for going on my friend inbox and my friend move up blood clot talkie. Who else you gonna get? You gonna get Jesus? Dirty woman. Dirty woman who have to sell pussy for survive. You have to sell you rock the pussy. You rock the pussy for survive. Dirty woman. You're dirty. Your mother you go wash your mother blood clot and hungry Beverly. Beverly hungry no blood clot. Beverly catch man no blood clot. You and Beverly catch man no blood clot. Them say when you see a dog, them say in a life, you know, if your mother is a prostitute, you turn a prostitute. If your mother will take a married man, you take a married man. If your mother take a big man, you take a big man. Them say anything where you see your mother do, the damn kid wanna really true. Your mother is a blood clot prostitute, so you come walk to be a prostitute. Dirty woman will live over Lusham. Dirty careless woman who walk and sell fuck to her baby father. Girl, you're dirty. If a me like you go wash your blood clot, pick in them hair, cause them ever dirty. And your batty man son with a batty man. Your son a batty man. Your son a batty man. Dirty woman. Dirty woman. You come for my phone. You come for my friend. You come for my phone for hear my man business. You come for my phone for hear my man. You're your friend over there start talking now. Yeah, your friend up on the phone talking now. You are trying to use your friend to see if your friend know my man. Eh? You come back on my phone, come tell me that like me slow or something. My prayer from the less I'ma move up your blood clot. Move up your blood clot. Remember me run you? You couldn't up on my phone and know about my man. You couldn't do that, girl. Girl, not because me give a blind. You couldn't up on my phone and know about my man. Eh? Girl, myself put out Raleigh picture. That myself put out Ricky picture. That myself put out him picture. We put out Raleigh blood clot picture. Unless Raleigh can live a walk a blood clot Lusham. Put out him blood clot picture in it. Succour. We say put out the picture. Cause we are gonna show you say Raleigh na body. Put out the picture. Yeah, act to the gram. Don't act to the gram. Succour, don't act to the gram. Succour. I have to call you succour because you succour in a real life. Man tell you no for succour no old call them eat you know. Man tell you for suck your old because them eat you. Now man can't tell me for suck them old. Any man tell a woman for suck them old them eat your succour. You be a father eat you. Ya succour you be a father walk and use him cocky that every girl pussy ya licky back. Move your dirty blood clot succour. That's your mouth decam blood clot pose like a body. Move your dirty blood clot. Your mouth decompose like the dead blood clot body. Go check out your blood clot mouth. Your mouth decompose. Smell stink like the body them there Jamaica. Dirty woman. We have to really sell pussy to our baby father. Act to the gram. Act to the gram. No man no want you cause you stay bad no blood clot. You act like you're hot girl. You're a top girl. You act like you're hot girl and a top girl. You shape bad no blood clot. Dirty woman. Dirty woman you stay bad. Dirty woman go call the police and tell the police that my son is a drug dealer, man. He is a top drug dealer. I mean he's a British citizen. When him get him caught, him not go back a blood clot. JAMAIC blood clot. He must stay right in a Great Britain. So you have to live part. You have to repeat yourself like a blood clot track record. Cause the last time we check, the judge never tell me that. So you have to go. Remember you don't know me. Remember the medication attack for you. So anybody who will listen to you, you don't see the pan diary live and diarrhea laugh for you. You don't see how diarrhea laugh for you. Dirty woman will live over Lusham. Diarrhea laugh for you, dirty woman. Dirty woman. We're running fuck out your daughter pussy and stamping identity in her wall. Move your dirty blood clot. Dirty woman. You can't tell me, say, You can't tell me, say, my father fuck me. You can't tell me, say, you say my father fuck me from year 9. You say my father fuck me from year 10. And someone done left blood clot Suki from when burglar blood clot pick her up from your 3-year-old. So all blood clot Suki for fuck me and burglar pick up Suki from your burger pick up someone from me a blood clot minor. So me don't know how that work out. Me don't know how that work out. How that work out, Skettle. Skettle, how that work out. Skettle, how that work out. The last time I see Suki I was fucking 5-year-old, 5 to 6. 5 to 6 or 7. Come here with me a blood clot died. So if me come here with me a died 2001 to 2. 2002 me a 10. So all the blood clot took you for fuck me, girl. Girl, nobody no want hear your blood clot. Continue call people blood clot name, lady. Lady, continue call people blood clot name. Continue call people name. Continue call people name. Tell me don't know how took you for fuck me and burglar pick up someone from your minor. Burglar pick up someone from your baby. Someone don't know how that blood clot work. Dirty woman, make a dream up. Nobody don't want to listen to your blood clot story. Nobody don't want to listen to your story. You're shame. Call the people that know say, yeah, baby father, stop out your daughter pussy. That's why you're bad. Yeah, baby father, stop out your daughter pussy. That's why you're mad. And people telling the truth. You're mad and people are telling the truth. You're upset. You have to eat up on my blood clot page. Me don't like you. Me say I'm gonna meet me swang. I'm gonna crash in blood clot me swang. Gonna meet me swang. I'm gonna crash in me swang. Me eat like how me eat me swang. Me eat like how me eat me swang. So gonna meet me swang. I'm gonna crash in me swang. Yeah, me swang a good friend. Meet me swang, I'm gonna crash with me swang. Cause you can't tell me so Suki fuck me. My mother and Suki never live together. Someone and burger used to get together. From someone and blood clot look up it now. Someone don't know how that blood clot work out. So good. I think the police this will text me. So good, me don't know how that work out. So good, me don't know that work out. You need to go shake up. You need to go shake up. You need to go shake up because your baby father blood clot. Your baby father the sex blood clot register. Baby father fuck you and rape you. Baby father fuck you and rape you, you know. You tell police that baby father fuck you and rape you. What should I do? He was going to kill me. What should I do? He was going to kill you for your stinking hole. He was going to kill you for your stinking hole. Come for me and I talk about baby father going to kill you for your stinking hole where your hole not ready yet. Your hole is a shebang. You're over there. You can't class me but oh my father fuck me cause someone and blood class Suki never live together. And someone and burger used to live together. Straight up to burger and fear from sheer blood clot. How much ear wall? I think a 17-year-old. 17-year-old. So what you say, girl? Girl, you don't make no sense. Girl, you don't make no sense. Girl, go look for your baby father. We have to sell pussy to your baby father. Sell pussy. Woman ready for my loot shop. Your pussy done. 2 man rub out your pussy. You can't get a blood clot Range Rover. 2 man fuck you. You can't buy the country house where you're in. 2 man fuck you. You can't keep your blood clot country house clean. 2 man fuck you. Your house dirty with 20 bag of dirty blood clot jars where your ex-friend got blood clot put out. Dirty. Me don't want a dirty blood clot girl house where dirty come call me name. Dirty old girl don't call me name. Dirty woman. Woman, your house dirty. Gotta take a good look over the good Nicole good book. I gotta pick up your dirty house. Go pick up your dirty house over Nicole Wabo TV. I gotta pick up your dirty house over your ex blood clot anti-page. And that you need to go pick up your dirty house. Your house dirty. Your deal marginal in a blood clot. About how much baby mother Suki? About 15 baby mother. 15 blood clot baby mother the boy have. Everybody have one. Move your dirty blood clot. The boy have Shirley. The boy have Stacy. The boy have the one in Jamaica. Someone. Look how much blood clot baby mother the boy have. And then you gonna talk about my father fuck me. Girl, your mother fuck your father. Your mother fuck your father. That's why you're so big and fat and stink. Your mother fuck your father. Your mother fuck your father. When you talk, it don't make no blood clot sense. You have to talk on the gram. You have to talk on the gram. But when we're bucking in real life, I hope your blood clot talk it. I hope your blood clot talk it. I hope you talk it, dirty woman. Dirty woman, you're dirty. You're dirty real bad. You're dirty. You're dirty. You're just upset because I come talk it. You want to be on my phone in the summer to sit down and trap post. And I'm say, I look at him whenever that entertain you. I look at him and go back with my mouth because I can't keep my mouth. I'm say post me and blood clot. The girl in that chat here, but she never asked the Oban. If she said so, Oban will come on the live and bust it out. See her when she see me tell post, come and can't hold my mouth. See her, you sit down on my phone, forget post business. Can you think me and post blood clot talk? Me and post don't talk in the inbox. See, come on my phone for say me and post blood clot talk. If you kill blood clot, use me. Forget post business. Eh? That's all the blood clot though. I'm running off of the blood clot for the same day we have born, but I want my baby father. But washing machine break down. Your pussy break down just like how your washing machine break down. Your pussy break down just like how your washing machine break down. Your pussy break down. Your pussy break down. That's how the whole heap of water come like the washing machine. So the water come out of the washing machine. I say your pussy are full of blood clot water. I said water come out of your pussy, dirty woman. You sit up on the phone, you want me for chat post, I've never entertained you. You sit up on the phone, yeah, your friend a chat my man, and you come back up tell me like mega blood clot, listen to me that set for your blood clot. Think whatever that set for your dirty woman, and she hear my blood clot friend. This up your on the phone and my friend never that chat with me. My friend move up your blood clot. Here to my friend. Why y'all pick up for Okobit? My friend said, no, I have to pick up for blood clot. My friend move up your blood clot on the phone. My friend move up your blood clot on the phone. Dirty woman. See, you have to make talkie and you jingle bang them going to the woman inbox. The woman run your off and move your pop on the phone and the woman never sit on the phone with me. Sit down on the phone. Remember me never the on the card, you know. Remember me never get on the card, so all me know the woman move up your blood clot. My auntie move up your blood clot on the phone. My auntie never sit up on the phone with you and chat me. Move your dirty blood clot. You go up on my auntie phone for go sit down and chat me. And you never expect, you think my auntie will go bust it up with me. You think my auntie did like class me on the phone and you never expect my auntie run you like a big blood clot dog. Nobody run you like a big dog. Next time don't go back on people phone. You walk on friend people for no people blood clot business. This big fat stinking woman will live over Lusham. This big fat stinking woman, no one cares if you're in a JAMAICA. You sit down there and suck the cocky like you always do. You walk and suck cocky and say you're too cocky and suck. You act like you go Jamaica where you do. When they go Jamaica, Marco fuck you. The next day, I rally fuck you. The next day, that's to say your life dirty. I wish you two of them give blood clot disease. I wish you two of them give HI blood clot V. Dirty woman. I wish you two of them give HI blood clot V. Cause you walk and suck cocky like a dog. You walk and suck cocky like a dog. You need to go fix your blood clot mouth. Your mouth, you're not dead yet. Your mouth smell like the body them. You're not dead yet. Your mouth are decomposed like the dead body them. Move your dirty blood clot with your decomposed blood clot throat. With your decomposed blood clot throat. Go move up the dirty woman. Me see ya. More than me tell us that the government a knock up you. You come over blood clot live and I type up like me your blood clot friend. She hear me start to post later Friday will be greater. Yeah, they call for me. They call yesterday and they tell me what to do and they tell me what's gonna happen. Ask the call. They said that they're gonna come lock you up. So I don't know how you did say you after you're in Jamaica. No one cares if you're in Jamaica. You're for the Jamaica because you're hungry. You're for the Jamaica because you hungry, your mother hungry. You act like you're hot gyal. This big fat stinking woman will live over Lucia was so cocky like a dog. You so cocky, your daughter so cocky. You blood clot fuck and your daughter take the same man. Me and someone never take the same blood clot man yet. Dirty woman. Dirty woman. Mama, the last time I checked, somebody never push the blood clot key and catch me on top of that. Dirty woman. What you say? You be a father fuck out your daughter pussy cat, your daughter can't breathe. Concentrate on that, no dirty woman. Concentrate on that, no dirty woman. Eh? Concentrate on that, you can't cause someone cause at least blood class someone never burglar send for someone never walk and catch man in England and left me back on blood clot JAMAIC blood clot the woman blood clot send for me any fucking member say when me come to England I was a virgin to be blood clot virgin's cut when me a blood clot 18 17 girl my mother never left me out there for man batch me cock me and fuck me any fuck me put on me put it on in someone blood clot yeah so what you said to me no make no sense remember say you put on fucker you be a father fuck out your daughter pussy right in front of you you need to get a blood clot you need to go to the blood clot when you're traumatized, you watch your baby father fuck out your daughter pussy. You watch your baby father fuck out your daughter pussy. Someone never blood clot left me at Jamaica for my fuck out of my hole. Someone left me any fuck me put on me put it on a blood clot, yeah. So we are saying I make no blood clot sense. How you say that make no sense? How when me rude to me mother? How when me do a she blood clot? Never have no papers and blood clot send for me. Work hard and send for me. And a man help me for send for me. So that's the way me blood clot have respect. She never left Jamaica and said, I want to you. Believe her. She think about me and drag me to the blood clot suitcase. She think about me and drag me with no paper, girl. Girl, she think about me and drag me with no paper. Say, where you said can't not hurt me, girl. Girl, my mother left me for 1 year at Jamaica and come back and man send for your blood clot and drag me back with her. I want to you, girl. She never wait till 10 years later or 5 years later. She take 1 year and with no blood clot papers, paperless. And the girl do it on blood clot. Send for me, dirty woman. Dirty woman, where your mother for blood clot where your mother for put blood clot drugs in her pussy for survive. Remember say your big head mother Beverly have to put drugs in her pussy for survive. You can't talk about me because you don't know about me, dirty woman. All you can say me a handicap. Me a really handicap. Handicap fit me no blood clot. But the greatest matter, I can't spell my pit in them name and I can't see me name on blood clot. Parchment paper, I don't blood clot swallow it. I chew it no blood clot. Dirty woman. Dirty woman, you don't make no sense. Dirty woman, you don't make no sense. Dirty woman, you don't make no sense. Everybody knows say you're a liar. Dirty woman, you're obsessed with posts. You're obsessed with people. And when the woman don't want to be your friend, you're obsessed. You're obsessed. You call my phone more. Dawn is mad because she see her over post live on her page. And she come over there for rep post live. She come over there for rep post live. And that she tell me, you know, and that she blood clot tell me say, she come over there for rep post live. I say, you come over there for rep post live. I'm hang up the phone on her. You come over there for rep post live because the way you're crazy, you want that to see you over there in the east side fuck out queen. For think that I got hurt dad. Oh, that for hurt dad. Tell me that. Oh, that for hurt dad. If dad say that the east side queen page. Oh, that for hurt dad. That not supposed to hurt dad, girl. That not supposed to hurt dad. You have to say you're mental. You are saying that I got hurt dad because you over pussy like the east side queen. In the east side queen page. Puss eat your girl. Girl, pussy eat you. Pussy just feel sorry for you and pity for you. I should not say a mental problem. Mental problem case, woman. When they go suck up Beverly pussy, when Beverly body upside down, and make a shape like the stew peas when they cook properly. Not you, woman. When they go look for long cocky blood clot, big pussy blood clot, link pussy blood clot, Beverly go suck out her pussy. I be blood clot body upside down. Someone ever bad me upside down. You say someone bad me as a handicap. I'm a present that I'm a handicap. Yeah, I'm a handicap. Handicap with a good pussy. Handicap we can check our money. Handicap when we see text before we can read it. What you say, girl? What you say? You don't make no sense. Instead of you call me handicap, go and teach your baby father for spell rat, bat, and sad. Cause your baby father done like the big Noel. Your baby father, you fuck man we can read. That's what hurt you. Yeah, fuck man you can't read. You know say rally now, you know what rally? Cause rally vulnerable. You know say rally vulnerable and don't have no brain. So you have to fuck out rally, but they were mad for how much years? And they were mad for how much you they were mad for how much years? Where you get out of it? Where you get out of it? Where you get out of it? Rallying by you anything? Me ask you if rallying by you the council house. You say you have rallying bankyard. Where rallying by you? Tell me where rallying by you. Rallying by you the council property? Rallying ever put a ring on your finger? Rallying put a ring on your finger, dirty woman? When you come on the internet and cry me a river. You come on the internet and cry, I say put out Ricky picture. I say put out Ricky picture. And that me a weird fucker. When you put out Ricky picture, I'm going to show you a rallying can't walk over Lusham. I'm going to show you if you think your blood clot bad. Put out Ricky blood clot picture. That must say put out it. That must say me a wait for you put it out. You tell them say you're going to put it out and you put it out. I know me can't blood clot see it. You say you're going to put it out. I know we can't see the picture where you're going to put out. Eh? I know. You say you're going to put out the boy picture. You say you're going to put out the boy picture. You say you're going to put out the boy picture. So put out the boy picture now. I'm sure say the boy is not like rallying. Come on, call Suki, brother. I mean, I know. Every day you repeat yourself, but father fuck me. I not even know my blood clot, father. I'm a soon go to America, go low him. I left my blood clot, father, when me a blood clot 7-year-old. 7-year-old, me not see him. 7 blood clot year old, so 7-year-old. Someone a fuck blood clot burglar them time there. So I don't know. I don't know. I don't know when blood clot. I when blood clot Suki fuck me. Dirty woman, I when Suki fuck me. Dirty woman, mad woman when you take your medication, I when Suki fuck me. Tell me now. When Suki fuck me. So man I tell her say you don't know people. Una phone cause and a cause for me, girl. Girl, you attack your business and you put it for me, girl. Hey, girl, don't do that, girl. Cause someone and Suki never live together, so I went that girl. Them time someone and Suki and I think someone and Suki they would stay them time there. So don't click it up. Girl, don't click it up. I think them time Suki they would stay. Yeah, Suki they will stay to them time there. So don't click it up. You're full of blood clot shit and then someone move on to our next man. Say you're full of blood clot shit. You're full of shit. You're shitless. You're bad mind because nobody not like you. You cock up on people blood clot page. I want to catch your blood clot page for obey your blood clot. You don't make no sense. You go over Diary Live and Diary laugh off of you. You don't make no blood clot sense. No sense. You don't make 1 sense. You're crossing. Thank God me get rid of you. Thank God me get rid of you, your blood clot. Me get rid of you. Bloop, me get rid of you. So it cause the problem because me get rid of you. You chat too much. You want to know people business. You want to know people business and you want to know people business and you want to spoil. The way you want to spoil, you have to have your daughter for fuck your man. You big and blood clot careless. You have to have your daughter for fuck your blood clot, man. If your daughter not there, the relationship not spicy. Where? Your daughter suck the cocky and it slipping at your hole. Where? Your daughter suck the cocky and it slipping at your hole. Where? You can't chat to me, dirty woman. Dirty woman, you can't chat to me. 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 You can't chat to me. The cocky slipping at your pussy and wind up in your daughter mouth. Where? That freak from 1970. Where? That dirty nigga. All you know for suck cocky. Man, I tell you for suck cocky. Eh? Man, I look for you as a big woman, I tell you for suck cocky. You have to suck cocky for survive. But never know say you have to suck cocky for all man. Suck cocky for all man. Eh? You have to suck cocky for all man. You have to really suck cocky for all man. The man I tell you for sucking cocky because I'm eating your blood clot. You hate you. I think the Lord is pussy for cocky for going on pussy. I never know say cocky for going on mouth where you eat. I never know that. You bow down like chicka wow wow. Move your dirty blood clot. You bow down like chicka wow 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 wow. He's a bow down freak. You bow down like a chicka wow 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 wow. Dog. Bow down dog shit woman when you over Lusham. You bow down a blood clot. You need to go lose some blood clot weight and go mind yourself, dirty woman. You need to go lose some weight. You You're bigger, you stink. Dirty Tanya, you're bigger, your blood clot stink. You're a chicken wow 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 wow. You're a chicken wow 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 wow. You're bound on a blood clot. You're suckled. You walk and suckle like a dog. You suck back your lick out cocky. Where? You suck back your lick out cocky. You suck back your lick out blood clot cocky. Where? Your mouth decompose like the dead body them. Where your mouth stink. You have a stinking mouth walking with. You have a stinking mouth walking with. Your pussy stink and your mouth stink. You can't chat to me a blood clot. You can't chat to me a blood clot. You can't chat to me because you don't know nothing about me. You don't know nothing about blood clot me. What you gonna know about me? My baby father supposed to have him blood clot pitney, half on a jacket. My baby father supposed to have him blood clot youth. How about that? Bitch? How about that chicken wow bow down dog old girl? Chicken wow bow down dog old girl. How about that dog? Dirty woman, how about that? Dirty woman? Well, you have my blood clot lotion. Well, cock up on my blood clot page. When you cock up on my page for me, don't like you. Take yourself off of my blood clot page. You don't have no blood clot life. Take yourself off of my blood clot page, man. You don't know when somebody don't like you. Nobody don't like you. Just cock up on them blood clot page. Nobody don't like you. Nobody likes you. No one like you. You cock up on the people them page. Chicken bow, the dog food. You're so cocky like a dog. So cocky dog face, girl. Walk on so cocky. Every time I turn on my life, you cock up on me blood clot life. Every minute shit you don't swallow. I want to throw some shit on you and your baby father. Dirty woman. I want to throw some shit on you. With your big fat stinking self. Your big and fat and swat in a blood clot. You chat a bag of shit. Chat a bag of blood clot shit. Chat a bag of blood clot shit. With your walk and suck wood. You walk and suck good girl. We claim say she the Jamaica. You suck good like a dog. You walk and suck good. Remember me a class, girl. You don't know nothing about me, girl. Girl, you don't know nothing about me, girl. Yeah, all you gonna say you're handicap. Remember the handicap class, yo? Remember the handicap class, yo? Suck good girl. Suck good girl. Remember me a class, yo? Remember me run your blood clot off of my phone, suck good. Suck cocky Tanya. Well, you've evolution. You walk and suck blood clot cocky. Cocky is your application. Suckers. You can't chat to blood clot me. You can't chat to me. Tanya, you can't chat to me because you only up on the gram. Chat to blood clot. You can't. Tanya, you can't call my father name because my father bad man in a real life. Bad man. I want to hear Tanya. I want to hear suck good. Check the blood clot Rose's corner. Suck good. Check Beanie Man. Beanie Man can tell you suck good, girl. I want to hear suck good. Suck good. My father blood clot make money them time that when Beanie Man are 17 years old. I want to hear, bitch. You can't chat to you know nothing about me. You know nothing about me. You have to live for the blood clot gram. Let's do this in a real life. Suck good. I want to hear suck good. I know you suck good. Suck good girl, we know you. Suck good girl, we know you suck good. suck good with the Jamaica. We have to sell our pussy. Eh? We have to sell your blood clot pussy, suck good girl. Have to sell fuck to your baby father. Eh? You have to sell fuck to your baby father. Your baby father ate your blood clot. Your baby father ate your blood clot. Kirk supposed to eat me, but when him see my blood clot son, when he see me, my son, and he see my son have my blood clot, yeah, him supposed to respect my blood clot. Then Kirk supposed to eat me because I this up blood clot, Kirk mother. So Kirk I got eat me because I wall up him mother big pussy. I want to tell you, you act like Kirk eat me because I give him jacket. You act like Kirk eat me because my pussy ever shot him. What you tell me say? What you tell me say, big pussy girl? Big pussy girl, what you tell me say? Kirk no know nothing about blood clot me. Kirk knows some pussy feel like a virgin. I want to your big pussy girl. I want to your big pussy girl. Big pussy girl, we don't have a man. We have to sell pussy to our blood clot. I'll suck with baby father will live over Lusham. I want to your sucker bolo. Sucker bolo. You repeat yourself too.